Welcome to Showtime Mobile Detailing's full detail service, where we transform your vehicle inside and out. We start with an interior vacuum, meticulously cleaning cup holders, the center console, dash, door jambs, and all surfaces. Every nook and cranny is detailed to perfection. Next, we move to glass cleaning, followed by UV protection on plastic, vinyl, and leather surfaces to keep your interior looking new. On the exterior, we perform a detailed wheel and tire cleaning and thorough hand wash. For stubborn contaminants, we use an iron removal treatment to break down and loosen stuck-on particles. This is followed by a light clay treatment to smooth the paint. Finally, we apply ceramic protection on glass, wheels, and paint. This not only enhances gloss, but also provides long-lasting durability. Experience the brand-new car feeling with Showtime Mobile Detailing's full detail. Just take a look at these results for yourself. Give us a call, text, or book your next appointment below.